Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. So Klipsch sent me their VIP review kit for me to check out not one but three of their latest T5 2 wireless earbuds. And out of all, I've decided to dive in deeper into reviewing the Mclaren Edition instead. But let's unbox the rest of the earbuds to find out what comes inside of each. Now starting from the regular T5 2s, the box contains the user guide, all the extra ear tips from small, small plus, medium plus, large and large plus. Then there's the USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-A to USB-C dongle, the safety compliance information, the earbuds of course, which I'm loving, these white colored ones as usual, #whitelove. And a very unique solid charging case in silver with a brushed aluminium finish, where I have to say I love how it opens up like a little Zippo lighter. Next, looking at the sports variant of the T5 2, other than the similar options of the extra ear tips, the USB-C cable and dongle, it also comes with the ear wings and the Comply ear tips. Then the earbuds are the similar form factor, but it is in black and of course with the ear wings on it. And unique to the Sports Edition, it comes with a rugged hard case with a very unique design on the inside, which I'll go into a bit later on the Mclaren Edition. Then finally, unboxing the Mclaren Edition, the difference between this and the Sports variant is the black and orange color Mclaren theme for the box. Then there's some additional cool Klipsch and Mclaren stickers, including the no bullshit sticker, nice, an additional Mclaren Edition handbook and owner's manual, and a nice membership card inside there as well. Then the ear tips are in orange with the similar available sizes. Then other than the extra ear tips and the USB-C cable and dongle, there's also a wireless charging pad which looks really nice and premium indeed. And of course, you'll find the earbuds and the charging case, where we'll dive in deeper into the build quality right now. Looking at the charging case, this is hands down the most unique and rugged charging case that I've ever seen. It's the type of charging case where you are either gonna like it or you might not really like it, but I absolutely loved it. It had a little pelican case-like form factor with its clip lock system to open and close the case, and a nice little carrying hook made of a cloth string. Then there's the nice orange trim and the Klipsch and the Mclaren logo at the front of the charging case, and a carbon fiber looking finish which is super rugged as it is dust and waterproof, as the case alone has an IP67 rating. And yes, as seen inside of the box, the charging case can also be charged wirelessly as well, which is powered by the new current technology, which is one of the best of its class for wireless charging technology. Now what's great is that even though that this is quite rugged and it feels quite solid, it is not heavy at all, as it comes at only 94 grams with the earbuds inside. Now you won't find any charging port on the outside where it is inside instead, where it could be a deal breaker for some, but for me, since I love the wireless charging option where you can use any wireless charger, not only the charger which comes inside of the box, I did not mind that at all, but keep that in mind. Now opening the charging case, again it had a very nice pelican case like look on the inside with rubber seals at the sides, and the charging indicator light is in between, where it has three different levels that shows charging from 0 to 33%, 33 to 66% and 66 to 100% on the third LED indicators. Very unique to Klipsch, this Mclaren Edition and the other sports variant comes with a very interesting moisture removal system to ensure that your earphones stay dry after you're done working out, or if the earbuds gets wet, where you can remove it, where it had this sort of tiny little sand-like crystals to help with the absorption. Then on the earbuds itself, it also has the same IP67 rating where it had a matte finish under the earwings, which is better than glossy ones, as glossy ones will usually come out easily, especially if you're working out or if you're sweating, so that was great. And on the outsides of the earbuds, on the right there is the Mclaren logo, and on the left there's the Klipsch logo over there. Then there's also a light indicator where solid red means that it is charging, a red blink lets you know that it is low in battery, and a slow blink in blue lets you know when it's ready to pair. And finally, a faster blink in blue is when the earbuds are connected. So to maximize the comfort, Klipsch has a very unique oval shaped design on its ear tips to have a perfect seal, so this would be great for a passive noise cancellation, great bass, and most importantly, a longer lasting comfort. Then there's also a smaller nozzle and a great approach angle to ensure a seamless entry to the ears, and with a medium plus ear tips for me fitted in flush into my ears. Now this is a very important element, as I would recommend to make sure to use the right ear tips where you need to make sure that it fits in your ears like you're in underwater. Like seriously, or you won't get the proper audio experience of the earbuds. And yes, without further ado, here's a quick sound mode test. So the initial pairing process is super simple, where it has Bluetooth 5.0 and it is compatible both with Android and iOS devices. And just turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and look for a Klipsch T5 spot and you're done. And once you have paired the earbuds in the future, it pairs with your phone immediately when the earbuds comes out from its charging case again. Now just in case you want to pair the earbuds to maybe another phone or your laptop, you'll just need to long press both sides of the earbuds for close to 8 seconds to initiate the pairing process again. Now my only gripe is the fact that it does not allow seamless multi-pairing, which means that every time when you switch devices, you'll need to first unpair with the other devices. So let's hope there is a software update which could fix this, since there is a dedicated app which I'll go into later as well. Now as for playback control, it is done by pressing the buttons on each side of the earbuds, where this tap control or the press control works both for calling and also for music controls as well. Where on the left side of the earbuds, pressing once toggles the transparency mode on or off, and pressing and holding decreases the volume. Pressing twice repeats the track or goes to the previous track. Then as for the right earbud, pressing once pauses or resumes the track. Pressing it twice goes to the next track, and while there's no music being played, pressing it twice triggers your voice assistant like Google Assistant for Android or Siri for iOS devices, and pressing and holding the right earbuds increases the volume. Then as for phone call controls, the main controls are all available on the right, where pressing it once answers the call, pressing it twice ends the call, and there are additional commands during calls where on the right, where pressing it once changes to the phone speaker, and then pressing it once again changes back to the earbuds, or it could be used to pick up another call, and then pressing it twice sends the call to voicemail. At the making of this video, there's no 3-button function, so there's no 3-button pressing for the earbuds, so who knows, maybe there will be a software update to do further adjustments through that, since it has a dedicated app as mentioned earlier, which I'll dive in deeper right now. So this Klipsch T5 Truewireless has an app which is called the Klipsch Connect App, where looking at the app's home screen, you'll find the battery indicator for both sides of the earbuds, but no indicator on the charging case, so you'll need to rely on that physically. Then there is the EQ settings, where there are presets available over there as well, which I set it to custom. Then under settings, you can edit the name of the earbuds, change the EQ settings again. You can also toggle the transparency mode on or off, adjust the intensity settings to low, medium, till high, where in case you guys do not know what transparency mode is, it is where it amplifies the outside sound in case of any oncoming vehicles of such when you are outdoors, where it uses the microphones of the earbuds to amplify the sound. Next, you can check the app's updates, then other product information and registration over there as well. Then there's also a very helpful guide option at the home screen where you'll find a quick start guide, how-to videos and the product manual, which was super handy indeed. Now, one of the main things that the Klipsch T52 Truewireless does not have is active noise cancellation, where I have to be honest to say that I would love to have that, but since the ear tips is sealed well into my ears and the earwings also help from the earbuds to stay intact at all times, I was totally fine with the passive noise cancellation that the earbuds provides. But yes, this does go down to a personal preference on what exactly you really need for an earbuds. Let's now talk about the sound quality. Now, the earbuds has a Qualcomm aptX support, so the sound decoding is great. It also has SBC and AAC support and quite a number of other audio codecs as well, with a 5mm dynamic moving coil micro speaker on each earbuds. So I've gone through many tests on the earbuds for the past 2.5 weeks by listening to different types of genre of music from jazz, EDM, rock and even metal. Overall, I can say that the sound quality was on par with other premium earbuds, and what I did find extra sweet was the extra low-end bass that the earbuds had compared to other earbuds that I've tested within this price range. I am suspecting it's because of its proper ear seal, where not only the bass was heard, but you can even feel it at the same time. Then the volume was great, with really crisp and loud at its maximum volume. And yes, I'm happy to note there's no latency when it comes to watching videos on YouTube, Netflix and also during non-competitive mobile gameplay as well. Now, since a lot of people tend to use earbuds to also make phone calls other than listening to music, I've tested the sound quality when it comes to the microphones, and it has the CVC 8.0 quad beaming microphones on the earbuds, where the overall volume was great with one of the best sounding audible speech, and here is a quick sound test directly from the earbuds microphone.
Alright, so I have the Dyson PureCool fan right in front of me. So I'm testing out the microphone quality on the earbuds to see how exactly it sounds. Test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2.
Now, as for battery, it comes with 50 milliamps of battery for the earbuds alone and 360 milliamps of battery on the charging case, where I got an average of 7 hours and 40 minutes of battery on a single charge with 100% volume and the transparency mode turned on as well, and about full days of use with the charging case. Now, in conclusion, the Klipsch T52 Truewireless Sport Mclaren Edition would be an excellent choice if you're looking for a really high quality earbuds which is super hardy and durable, and I feel that this is catered more towards those who live a more active lifestyle like doing sports or even working out in general, while you can use other earbuds for casual listening purposes, where in my humble opinion what Klipsch has decided to do is to make this particular variant to be more catered towards the people who want a peace of mind without worrying about how fragile earbuds can be, as I believe that it is an earbuds that is going to last for a really long time, which comes also with an excellent and premium sound as well. Now, as for the price here in Malaysia, it is going for 1,199 ringgit, currently on pre-order, and you can get yourself one from TC Acoustic, which I'll leave link down below, where you'll find the other variants like the non-sports true wireless earphones pricing over there as well. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.